For many years, many of us believed our options were limited. Today, we have opportunities our parents and grandparents could never have imagined. That is why I'm so passionate about learning and why I continue to invest in myself every single day. This webinar is an opportunity to discover what is possible when you begin learning digital skills that are shaping the future, not because someone promises overnight success, because knowledge builds confidence and confidence leads to action. And action opens doors that many people never realized were there. I invite you to join us, listen with an open mind, and decide for yourself. Sometimes one new idea, one new skill, or one new decision is all it takes to change the direction of your future.